How to book a flight online on Turkish Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can book a flight online on Turkish Airlines. Alright, so if you're wondering how you can book a flight on Turkish Airlines, just ensure that you watch this video till the end. And the first thing to do is to create an account to Turkish Airlines. Alright, once you've created an account, log in and log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, this is how your home page will look like, where you would see Turkish logo by the top left corner, and then by the top right you'll see other options like plan and book, fly different, discover, help, sign up, sign in. Just ensure that you sign in. Once you're signed in, by the top right corner as well, you will see your profile name, your profile icon, and then the sign out icon. Now, to book a flight, all you need to do is to come down to the lower part of the box of the page, sorry, where you can see the flight tab, check in, and flight status. So the next to do is to select flight status. All right, select the flight tab. All right, ensure that the flight tab is the one highlighted. Once the flight tab is one highlighted, the box under it would be changed, and then you'll see some options such as round trip, one way, stop over in Istanbul, and Motsi city. So select the kind of trip you want. Do you want a round trip? Do you want a one-way trip? Once you're done selecting it, come down and you select your departure point and then your arrival point. Okay, so to fix your arrival point, just click on see all destinations. This is for those that don't know the name of the airport, okay? Because you can know your arrival point, but if you do not know the name of the airport that you have to use, you won't be able to book a flight. So just scroll down or select the country that you're going to. And always select the country. At the right side of the screen, there would be there will be options of the airports available in that particular country. You just select the one that is closer to the place that you're heading to. Then move to the dates tab and then click on dates. Once you click on dates, scroll down and then you'll see the calendar available. So once you see this calendar, just go ahead and select a flight. Select a departure and a returning time. Alright, once you selected it, click OK, and then you have to select the kind of class. Select the class that you can afford, then scroll up and click on search flight. Okay, so this once you click on search flight, the flights available within those days for those locations would be displayed. But first of all, you have to wait for it to load. All right, so click close and go back. Because of that error, it will be able to work. So you go back and then type in your location again. So at this stage, in order to avoid that error, you can try modifying the time. All right, the reason that error popped up is because of an hour, of course, of the time or the departure time as well as the arrival time. So you can just decide to walk around it and edit the departure time as well as the arrival time. Or you can just extend it a little or make it closer a little so that you can get a flight that suits your taste. So we click on search flights again after editing the date. So when you click on search flights, the available flights for those days would be displayed. As you can see, these are the flight displayed. But as you can see, both for the economy class and for the business class has been filled up. So you cannot go on these days. You still have to go back and modify your chart once more. So once you've modified your search and you click on search flight available for that particular trip would be shown to you. All of the flights available will be shown. So you can just go through it and select the one that you can afford. Alright. Once you've selected the one that you can afford, the page would load and then you would move to the next stage of the booking process. Just wait through the processes, alright? So once that's loaded, you can see another page showcasing more details about the flight, and then you can see per passenger for this particular flight. Alright, you can see per passenger, this is the amount. Then check the itinerary details. You can just click on the drop down arrow that you can see here. to check more details about the flight. So once you've read through the flight and you've seen the one that you can go for, just click on it to select it. Then scroll down on that particular site and click on search. Select this flight. All right, and always click on select this flight. The page would load, and then you would be asked to also select the flight as it's pertain to the select the flight, like it's more details about the flight, and then you'll be asked to select it again. So once you click on select, at the lower right corner of the screen, the continue button would be available. Just go ahead and click on continue. So once you click on continue, the page will load as well, and then you'll be directed on that page where you have to input the passenger's details. So yeah, you have to input all that's new about the passenger's information to avoid unnecessary mistakes. All right, so this is the first passenger, so just check it this way. And for the second passenger that you've selected earlier, you just click on add passenger, and then once you click on add passenger, the icon, a box will be displayed, and here you have to input details about the passenger that you want to add. So is the person a Mr. or a Miss? Ensure you include it, the person's name as well. So just type out the person's name. Alright. Then after typing out this person's name, you have to type out the person's date of birth as well. Just do gently, and then you can check this if the person is a Turkish citizen. If not, just leave it that way. And then you have to input the flyer number, and then you can now check this box, add this name to a passenger's list if you want to. If not, you leave it unchecked, and then you click on add passenger. Then the passenger will be added automatically, and then you proceed to the next stage, which is the contact details. Here you'd have to um enter in a contact, the contact of the person, and then once the contact has been entered, scroll down, and then you have to check all of these boxes. All right, so after checking all of these boxes, click on the continue button by the lower right corner of the screen. So if it doesn't work, go back to see what was wrong in your um in your if it doesn't work, go back and check what was wrong in your details. But once it works, you will be taken to the next page, which is the additional services. All right, so now on this page you can decide to now select a seat. If not, if you don't want to select a seat, click on continue without seat selection. All right, and then you'll be redirected to another page entirely. Now these processes are very, very simple. Don't feel perturbed, don't feel troubled or whatsoever. Okay, it's very simple. Then if you want to select extra baggage, sport equipment, go ahead and add all of them. If not, click on skip additional services. And then finally, you would be directed to the payments tab. On this tab, you have to select how you want to make payment, where you want to make payment from. All right, and that is, you have to choose a payment method, you have to choose a currency, you have to choose if you want to pay with gift card or cash and miles, or pay with your voucher or debit card, or you can see so many methods of how you can make payments. And then once you're done selecting the method of payments, you click on continue, and then you redirected to a page where you'll be asked to pay, and then you check out. So this is basically how you can book a flight on Turkish Airlines. Very simple and direct. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.